At Hampstead Aesthetics, we are experts in using the Mint PDO Thread lift system. I'm an international expert for the company and we use it extensively for all our patients. So one of the frequently asked questions is who is suitable for the PDO Thread lift, the non-surgical facelift? Well, it's typically a patient in their maybe late 30s, 40s, 50s who really is displaying signs of some laxity in their lower third of their face. And what it is using these threads, polydioxanone threads, inserted into the tissues, into the skin, and then that has a lifting effect, resulting in less of a jowling, less laxity in the lower third of the face, and more improved volume in the upper face. All patients will need a thorough consultation prior to the procedure. We normally give you a cooling off period to think about the procedure. On the day of the procedure, we use local anaesthetic in form of injections, topical injections, and then injections into the skin with a cannula. The procedure will typically last about 45 minutes to an hour. We give some antibiotic cream afterwards as aftercare, and we will give you, prior to the procedure, an information sheet regarding all the things to do and not to do. One of the commonest questions asked is also about the downtime for the procedure. And from my experience after doing this over many years, it's typically about 2 to 3 days off work. You may need to take a bit of paracetamol for analgesia and also possibly some ice, especially at night time, just to sort of relieve some of the pain symptoms. There may be some potential swelling and some bruising which settles down in due course, but most patients are really sort of fine after sort of 3 days or so. Another common question that's asked of me from patients during their consultation is really how long will the threads last? Well, there's very many factors that really sort of answer this question. Often the results of the procedure will depend on how many threads we use and also whether we have to supplement the threads with dermal fillers, and that will be discussed during your consultation. But on average, most patients who are suited for this procedure, the results will typically last 9 months to often up to 18 months. What I like about the non-surgical facelift with PDO threads is that you really see the results straight away. After the procedure, I normally show the patients the results, and often what you're seeing is an improvement in the jowls. You've got increased volume in the mid-face without the use of dermal fillers. The majority of my patients are extremely happy with the procedure.